Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. Today I actually received the laptop from Amazon. So this is a MacBook unboxing video, and on my face or my room it's all a mess right now. So let's start the unboxing. And also today I have to go to a birthday party. So yeah, that's it. The random information you didn't ask for. Anyways, let's start the unboxing. And yeah, I'm not allowed to log in or turn on the computer before day one because they have some setup that they'll do. So I'm not going to open it and show you everything. It's just an unboxing video. I received a MacBook, a keyboard, it's from Dell, a mouse from Dell, and what else? And a bag from Wildcraft, and headphones, and one more thing. I don't know what it's called, but it's used to, just you can put the USB and all in that thing. I'll show you. So let's start unboxing first. Hi guys, so yeah, it's me. I got a big box, and in that box I received something, so which I'm going to show you. So first thing is this Wildcraft bag which I got. I was actually looking at the price, but I don't remember it. And yeah, it's a nice school bag. So yeah, just showing you from different angles. And if you get some baby noises in the background, don't mind it. There are kids in my room who are not leaving this room, so never mind. And now this is the headphones, and I'm not much of a fan of headphones. I actually never had headphones. And another thing is that wired headphones, so that's not my thing. So I'm just thinking of using it for office meetings and not for my personal usage, cause it's just not my thing. It's headphone is too much. So yeah, it's okay, I guess. The thing is that you cannot connect it to a mobile phone, cause that USB, it's for laptop. Now let's see the mouse. I have not opened it yet, so I'm opening it in front of you. Let me find a scissor to actually cut it. The mouse is from Dell, and yeah, I don't remember the price. I'll write the price on the screen by checking it. So yeah, we are cutting it. तुम लोग चुप रहो ना. So sorry, don't mind that. तुम लोग please 2 मिनट के लिए चुप रहो ना. Yeah, okay. So yeah, let's get back. So this mouse is a wired Dell mouse, and yeah, let me just say the exact name. So it's the Dell optical mouse MS116, and yeah, it has 3 years warranty. And the price, I do not see the price on the box. Oh yeah, the price is 650, I see. And it looks like a pretty nice mouse. I don't like my current mouse. I'm bored of it. Now the keyboard also I have not opened it yet. So opening it in front of you. The keyboard is the KB216 Dell Multimedia keyboard. The cost is around 1200 rupees, and also it is a wired keyboard. I'll attach the links in the description in case you want to check out these products, but I have not used them now because the products arrived today, so I cannot review them properly, but they look nice. Yeah, that's what I can say. Okay, so yeah, we're unboxing the keyboard now. So showing it to you from the different angles, and please excuse me for the camera angle. My room was like a real mess, so that's why I had to do it like this. Yeah, anyways, so this is the Dell KB216 keyboard. So I'm not going to remove the plastic now because I'm in no plan to create more mess in my room. So just see it from the top view. It's a wired keyboard, but never mind, I don't mind that. Okay, now let us see the next product. Yeah, the next product is, okay, what is, it's that circly thing. Yeah, it's a circly thing which I told you in the intro. So actually I noticed that in MacBook you don't have a USB port. So I'm thinking that I am assuming actually that this will be connected to the MacBook, and it has so many ports like for Ethernet and USB ports and all will be connected to this circly thing. Now it's time for MacBook unboxing. So this is my beautiful MacBook Pro, and it's so beautiful. Like, it's really soft, guys. Like, I can't get enough of touching it. So let me tell you the specs. While you're seeing it from all the different angles, let me tell you the specs of the MacBook. And it's really slim. Like, it's really thin, and although it's 16-inch MacBook, but it's like portable. and we have a power adapter. So yeah, first let's see. It's the 16-inch with a LED backlit display and 2.6 gigahertz 6 core Intel Core i7 with 12 MB shared L3 cache. So yeah, I'm just reading it from the box, but I hope you're understanding it. And 16 GB of DDR4 memory, 512 GB SSD, cool. AMD Radeon Pro 4 GB graphics card, I guess, yeah. And a lot of things more. So backlit keyboard, I love that. FaceTime HD camera, I love that too. Mac OS, obviously love that. Never tried, and I'm excited. The price is around 2 lakhs in Indian currencies. So yeah, we get this cool Apple sticker, and then these are some documents which I have not read yet, so no comments on them. Then this is the charger or the power adapter for the laptop, as you might say, and this is like really heavy. Like it looks so small, but it's so heavy, like really heavy. Yeah, so I hope you have seen my beautiful MacBook. Now let's keep it in the box so that it won't get dirty, and I'll clean my room and then I'll touch it again. Although I'm not allowed to like turn it on, and I can't actually, because it's like it has my account is not created it, so the IDT will help me set up